Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. If you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have seen that we've got a bunch of different projects on there, like some story projects, like a story about me. We scroll down a little bit further, we got scenic walk, we've got a superheroine story, we've got animated joke. These are all different kind of stories that you can learn how to create on our website. But I want to show you a neat idea that you can use in your project. All right, the project we're going to take a look at is called Is Scratch Cat an Inside Cat? And it is by He Animal Kingdom 42, which I think that might be a reference to a certain book that I read. All right, so if you press the green flag right here, we've got our story. Hey, Scratch Cat, want to go for a walk? And what's really neat about this, one, I like the animation style on here, but two, you actually have to click to advance the story, so it doesn't automatically advance, which is a really neat idea. Where to? I'm planning on going all around the world. What? Funny, Tara, but you know I'm an inside cat. I had never actually thought of that, whether Scratch Cat's inside or outside cat. ... You don't like the great outdoors? I'm not the biggest fan. How much have you ever gone outside? Asking Scratch Cat. I go to the mailbox every day. That's like basically what I do. You don't even know what you're missing. Come with me. Once you see the wildlife all over the earth, you will realize that keeping yourself in a box is causing you to miss out on the best. Yeah, true. Sure, Tara. Okay, so, looks like got some bees or some flies on Scratch Cat. Tara's having a good time. Uh-oh. Must be in Arizona right here. The heat's getting to Scratch Cat. Uh-oh. In the jungle now. Okay, so now we move forward. Are you having fun, Scratch Cat? Let's find out. I sure am. I love it here. I've decided that I'm not an inside cat anymore. Oh. Rolls eyes inside. That's good. I'm glad you've come to appreciate all of these natural wonders after hiding from them for 15 years, because Scratch is 15 years old, if you didn't know that. Well, you know, Tara, I think the only time I'm an outside cat is when I'm at the beach. Brownie face. I thought this was a really neat idea of, one, the art animation for the story, but also being able to click to advance. If you got a neat idea like this that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. And if you'd like to learn how to teach or create a project like this, make sure you check out the links in the description or just go to BootUpPD.org. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.